21 Best High-Income Skills to Improve Your Bank Account. Here's how at 19 years old I made $200,000. It's a tough question to answer for a lot of people. The more skills you have, the more you can get paid to do. Many people take their skills and work at home or become a freelancer to earn more money. Quick picks. Having the right skills can open many doors for you, making your assets more recession-proof. Here are our top picks for the best skills. Best for beginners, proofreading. Highest paying, bookkeeping. Most flexible, freelance writing. 1. Proofreading. Income potential, $50,000. Proofreading is different to something like copywriting, which is where the content will be changed to make it flow better. 2. Blogging. Income potential, $100,000 or more. There are lots of skills that you need for blogging, such as writing and marketing. 3. Affiliate marketing. Income potential, $150,000 and more. You can use affiliate marketing either for your own business or for your employer. It's a valuable skill you can monetize in several ways. 4. Graphic design. Income potential, $55,000 plus. A lot of graphic designers will study graphic design, but you can still find work if you are self-taught. 5. SEO marketing. Income potential, $50,000 or more. You could earn up to $50 an hour as a search engine optimization marketer, and it can all be done from home. Don't forget that the full article with all the juicy details is linked in the description. 6. Virtual assistant. Income potential, $50,000. You can become a virtual assistant pretty easily, and there are a variety of skills you can monetize, including email services, SEO, social media management, phone answering, and more. 7. Bookkeeping. Income potential, $70,000 plus. Bookkeeping is a useful skill to have for yourself as well. You can use it in your business and in your home. 8. Public speaking. Income potential, $50,000 and more. The amount of money you can make from this will vary depending on what you are speaking about and your impact. 9. Influencer. Income potential, $200,000 plus. For example, this could be a fashion Instagrammer influencing people to buy similar clothes. 10. Video production/editing. Income potential, $100,000 or more. As a video editor, you can edit footage for many different reasons, such as TV or film. 11. Web development. Income potential, $100,000. Like coming to our site, we make sure to have key categories for readers, large titles to read, and more to make it more usable. 12. App development. Income potential, $200,000. App development is creating apps for your own business or other businesses. 13. Software development. Income potential, $100,000. Software development is the background details for any good website or app, and you need to know programming languages to create them. 14. Project management. Project management is a combination of strong communication, teamwork, time management, problem solving, and more. It's a wide variety of options. 15. Freelance writer. Income potential, $100,000 and more. The type of writing work that you can get will vary depending on who you are writing for. 16. Photography. Income potential, $50,000 plus. Just taking pretty pictures isn't enough, as they will need to be of a very high standard, and this is a skill that you'll have to learn. 17. Digital marketing. Income potential, $50,000 and more. There are so many online businesses out there that need help with their digital marketing. 18. Transcription. Income potential, $50,000. The main reason for transcription is for people who are deaf or for when people need audio typed for meetings, notes, or podcasts. 19. Sales. Income potential, $150,000 plus. This is just as important if you are an employee or an entrepreneur. 20. Entrepreneur. Income potential, unlimited. There are so many different businesses out there that you can start with your unique set of talents. 21. Coaching. Income potential, $100,000. There are all kinds of coaches out there: sports coaches, food coaches, life coaches, money coaches, and so on. Final thoughts. The great thing about high income skills is that you can be sure of getting a job even in a bad economic climate. You can always monetize and find work with some key skills. Proofreading, blogging, project management, digital marketing, web development, and more are all high-paying options for you, even as a beginner. The benefits of earning a high income are generally being able to fund your dream lifestyle and reach financial freedom, and who doesn't want that?